Article 370 scrapped, and so the Constitution of India is as applicable to the people of Jammu and Kashmir as it is to you and me. Today, let's mull before we munch. With the scrapping of Article 370, we now expect the people of Jammu and Kashmir to feel that they are a part of India. But is it not our responsibility too to make them feel that they are a part of us? And what better way to do this than celebrating Raksha Bandhan with a Kashmiri cuisine? Namaskarams and welcome back to yet another special episode of Munch and Mull. Today we are going to be making a Raksha Bandhan special sweet recipe from Kashmir, which is a dry fruit sweet recipe called Kashmiri Shufta. This recipe uses a wide range of ingredients and it's a very rich dessert for all age groups, and for the calorie conscious, once in a while cheating is allowed. Look at the ingredients for making the Kashmiri Shufta. I've taken half a cup of cashews, half a cup of cut dates, half cup of raisins, half cup of walnuts, half cup of almonds, half cup of pistas, half cup of coconut, half cup of paneer, saffron or zafran, elaichi, 1 cup of jaggery or raw cane sugar. Generally sugar is used, but I have taken jaggery powder, and 4 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. There's no proportion of dry fruits, but it's better to take equal quantities of dry fruits. Before we make the shufta, almonds need to be soaked in water for an hour and de-skinned. So here we had soaked the almonds for 1 hour and then removed the skin and sliced them. Let's start making the Kashmiri Shufta. I'm adding this 1 big cup of raw cane sugar or jaggery powder. We'll add 1.5 glasses of water. So let's dissolve this jaggery, and we need to just boil this for about 3 minutes and then strain. Once this starts boiling, reduce the flame to sim and then keep it boiling for about 2 more minutes. So now I'm switching off the flame and let's strain this. So we are straining this jaggery syrup. It's basically to remove any floating particulate matter. So let's powder the cardamom. So let's add the ghee first. So now let's just fry these paneer to a light golden color. So now this has got a golden brown color. So we'll remove the paneer. So now let's fry the coconut pieces to a light brown color. So now this is light brown. So we'll remove the coconut. Now let's add all the dry fruits one by one. Almonds, the walnuts, cashews, pista and raisins or kismis. Just fry this in ghee for about 2 minutes and then we will add the dates to it. And now we add the dates. Fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we will add the jaggery syrup to this. Wow, what an aroma! Children would love this as much as adults. Now let's add the jaggery syrup and let it boil for about 5 minutes. Goes the jaggery syrup. So after 5 minutes of boiling with the dry fruits, you add the fried paneer and the coconut pieces and then let it boil for another 5 minutes. See that you boil it in sim flame. So now the elaichi powder. Let's switch off the gas and here goes the saffron or zafran. Wow, heavenly. Let's mix this. and our Kashmiri Shufta is ready to be served, and it's best had warm. So here our Rakhi special sweet recipe is ready. Presenting to you the Kashmiri Shufta. All the ingredients used in the Kashmiri Shufta have amazing health benefits. For example, almonds are rich in vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. Cashews are rich in magnesium. Walnuts are rich in mono and polyunsaturated fats and proteins. Pistachios are rich in vitamin B6 and antioxidants like carotenoids. Raisins are rich in minerals like iron, copper, magnesium and potassium. Dates are rich in fiber, iron and potassium. Coconut has a lipid called lauric acid which has good antibacterial effect. Paneer or cottage cheese is a good source of protein and calcium. Kashmiri Shufta is extremely nutritious because of the dry fruits and nuts. They are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals and proteins. High in calories too. So eat it in moderation and enjoy this Raksha Bandhan. I am sure many of you would know many more Kashmiri vegetarian recipes, and I would love if you could share it with me. Do leave a detailed description of the Kashmiri vegetarian recipes in the comment section below.